Canon zoom lens, 24-70 2.8L Series 2 USM lens with the aperture unit fault. So it gives a communication error when we pop it on the camera body. Communication error 1. Yeah, like that. Communication error 1, alright. Doesn't matter where you take a picture.
There seems to be also a problem with the zoom. It's locking up, it's not going all the way in. And what we'll do now is we'll strip it down to see what's going on. I reckon it's just a screw, that part, the screw caught onto it, so creating that locking up on that. So we'll strip it down and we'll put this part in fast forward. Now we've got it stripped down, we'll grab the new power diaphragm unit assembly and we'll pop that on. It's taken out of the box. See, there's no ribbon sticking out of that power diaphragm unit. It's been completely ripped off. The ribbon's sitting on the left of the PDU assembly. The new one's got the long flex ribbon sticking out. I just grabbed the other one that came off. I'll rip that off. And we'll stick it on the new PDU assembly. A little bit of work involved. If you like this video, please hit the like and follow us for some more content. It's what we do at Works Perfect. Fix lenses, Canon lenses and Sony GM lenses. Also the Sony mirrorless cameras and Canon digital SLR cameras. Also deal with Panasonic products.
par des croyances préétablies. Est-ce que tes pensées t'appartiennent? Est-ce que tu croyais ce que te disaient tes parents? Ou est-ce que tu avais tes propres croyances? Est-ce que tu étais libre? Ou est-ce que tu pensais simplement qu'en pensée d'être de côté? Parce que si c'est pas...
I'm going to do the aperture test. All zoom lengths set 22, f22, so the aperture closes all the way,
Good evening, everyone.
and it responds to
I represent
when I press the button
States of America.
to all different zoom lengths.
I wanted to say a few words on this, your last night at the Meadows. First of all, to thank you
And
for
then
what
we'll
you're
change.
doing in service of your country. You will not meet again after tonight. You will